Hey yo, Jesse, what we doing today?
We're going drifting!
We're going drifting today! Jesse and I are the only ones here right now. You know, we rocking with the clears, the beautiful clears. And update, last video you guys probably saw the new wheel setup that we got on the car, and I was saying how it may not fully fit, and that is true, which is why today what we got going on here is these are the fronts of the wheel setup that perfectly fit in the rear, so I don't have to worry about rubbing because the rears were just too aggressive. And then because we have no fronts, if I'm using my fronts as rears, Jesse came in, plugged me up, and he put on the S14 stockies, which don't even look that bad.
I'm surprised they clear the brakes.
Yeah, and then, oh, probably easier to see over here, yeah. We installed some R32 GTR rotors and calipers for the fronts, for the new brake setup, and these S14 stocks barely clear. Like, it's a miracle that these somehow work. The odds are on our side today to want to get us out there drifting, and this is basically how we're gonna do it. Now, this is gonna be the first drift day where I can say we have solid 100% good weather. The sun is fully out, we're expecting 80 degrees, and that actually, once again, is a good and bad thing, because the good is that it'll be a solid day on the outside no matter what. But the bad is that on the inside, I don't really have AC in this thing. Sitting on the hot tarmac with a warm helmet on is not gonna be fun. We might be cooking a little too hot out here today. Oh, as always, gotta peep the competition. Team UltraMotive. Will hasn't seen the clears yet.
Hey, question for you guys. Is this one of your cars?
Oh yeah, you want me to move it?
Is there any, would you mind if I pull my trailer right here? Oh yeah. Is that cool, bro? Thank you.
The rig today, we come on up and we go hop in, and you guys will see a nice little pink shaft that comes out right in the middle. Now, normally that's your hydro stick right there, and today the lines are not connected yet, and we haven't fully gotten that sucker all the way installed into the car. Here's what we're gonna do, all right? We're gonna take this little microfiber, get that thing all out there, and we'll just cover that up. And you know what, this is going to be our imaginary ghost hydro that does not exist and does not have any function to the car. Today you're just going to have to realize that all my drifting is not going to be with this hydro at all, and we're still stuck on regular handbrake. Hopefully, fingers crossed, the next drift event we'll have a hydro fully set up in there. But for now, we're just gonna hit it old school once again. Oh,
no more fucking jiggly ass wheel, bro. For real.
He got the hub?
Yeah, I
got the hub.
Cause look, I'll show you.
Look.
I'll show you what the problem is here. Okay, so you come in this joint, step into my office. Okay. So look at this.
Whoa!
That should not be a thing. So, do not buy the NRG race hubs. They are garbage, okay? Just get yourself a short hub and suck it up. Your steering wheel is gonna be a little bit closer.
You just be like, to anyone who has close proximity between your belly and your wheel, lose some weight.
You can be a bigger dude and still fit in your car. But you gotta say big slender, you know what I mean?
Yeah, big slender.
You gotta say slim thick.
Yeah, slim thick
so
with
you can have the thick belly, but not too thick.
Of course.
Otherwise, you ain't gonna be able to turn.
Are you gonna be sliding it out there?
Oh man, I gotta tuck my harness. My harness is rubbing through.
Oh, the harness is dangling in there somewhere?
The harness is rubbing through here. You can probably see my tape job in there actually because it's already...
Oh yeah, there's a wire right here. Yeah, kind of so, touching the wheel.
You know, if I'm like, lock,
and then wire just go boop, and your car just die.
Yeah, but next drift event, 112%. I will
112
and whipping this hoe.
Damn! All right, you heard it. You heard it right here from the man on the VSKFs.
I'm getting my stickers hand delivered to me. I'm getting them hand
from the close calls man himself.
Oh. Well, I mean, pics.
Yo, he's giving me the whole stack. Okay, that's crazy.
This is not supposed to be an advertisement. I'm just asking stickers.
Jesse didn't know he was walking into a plug.
Yeah.
Damn.
Wow, would you look at that?
Close calls. Damn. I feel like I should slap some pink on the rig because I do have pink things in there.
Dang, you know I didn't know close calls was ran by someone of 14 years of age.
I know,
Damn, you are the youngest business owner.
You're so dumb. So dumb. I'm 18.
Look at those dudes.
We got full Honda Accord in the front. And then we got Party in the back. Yeah. You know, I ain't the only one here running stock wheels today.
Come on, man.
Why do you have a foot on your car?
That's a tech sticker.
Wait, that's what they put on your car if you pass tech?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get a foot on my car?
Well, if you pass tech.
True. Dang, they weren't kidding. The tech sticker really is a foot. That thing is sick. Try and get into third on the bank so that I'm not banging off my limiter, but it's really hard. This car just does not have any power low end because I literally have to wait for the boost to build up. But it was nice trying out my regular handbrake. I wish I could use the freaking invisible handbrake right now. Something. Oh boy. Oh boy. Nah, blew something out there. Might have.
Ooh, it looks like it pressurized inside the cooling or the oil system or something. Blew the dipstick out, or did you do that? Or was it left out?
I don't
It
know.
was just left out. You know,
That'd
it's
be
got
a
a lot,
nice solution, yeah.
That would be, but
it's got a lot of pressure in there, pushing it out. Hopefully not.
no, I think it's got to be something else. We blew something. I think Austin's gonna be getting some trailer tippage today. Current status, we're thinking that I basically blew the turbo, which is honestly good, considering that the other options could have been blowing the entire motor. So I would take home a blown turbo over other worse things. But unfortunately, that does mean I am out for the day. Cut early with only a couple runs in. The odds are on our side today to want to get us out there drifting.
Okay, we'll start it up and see.
The turbo?
Yeah, shut it off.
Yeah.
That seal is gone. Like, no seal there.
Well,
GT28, yes sir!
so can I borrow Austin rent a trailer for the way home?
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, okay.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, whatever. Well, she's loaded on and calling it an early day. Alright, so we got the car back to my neighborhood. We're back at my house. Now, the drift event is still going on. We don't call it off a day with low heads, so I'm thinking we take up the good old backup car and whip this thing around, pull the good old fuse, make it rear-wheel drive, and send the R32 out on the open drift for a couple laps. I'm sure that's what you guys all came here to see. So we got the R32 out here at Evergreen already, and in my hands is the little fuse, the four-wheel drive fuse. So we just freaking throw this thing away.
No.
We just,
No.
yeah, no, I'm gonna keep this with me. But for now, my car is now rear-wheel drive, just as before. Same setup as before. We're gonna burn the Z stockies. And I left my camera at home, so this is iPhone footage right now, but hopefully you guys can endure through this. We've drifted this car once before, but not at a public event. So we got more eyes on me. I'll head out to the main course.
Okay.
I'll give you my phone again.
Cool. So we'll just go to the stands then?
Yeah. It's crazy because this car is similar to my S14, but my S14 has a lot of angle and this car doesn't. So don't have high expectations for me. you say? Should we take the Focus RS next round?
Yes. How'd it go in this car?
Dude, it was pretty good. First run, spun out. Second run, held it together. And like, I could actually feel how this car has more power than the S14 because I'm just at such an ease of losing traction and breaking the rear out. And obviously, I could also feel how I have less angle.
Because you just have this.
I think it's a mix of both. Like having the Z stockies in the rear is very little traction, but I think this thing has way more power down low. Whereas the S14, I have to wait for that single turbo to freaking spool up, and it takes forever. Dude, the key is you come in after every single run and let it cool for like 30 minutes. That's the key to maintaining one of these and drifting it out here. At least that's what I'm trying to do. The Peach coming up. My boy, Peachy Media, initiating, holding, not much angle, initiating again, hold, yo, dude, he didn't spin out. That was pretty solid. My guy, Brennan is cooking.
Austin looked very close to that tire.
Easily making the most of the event, and I'm making the most of my $80 driver wristband that I spent here, and I wasn't about to let one turbo stand in my way. After drift report.
It's hot, my balls are sweaty. Yes.
Are your knees weak?
Arms are heavy.
Yeah.
Spaghetti? I'm about to vomit on your sweater already.
Whoa.
We're not blocking you guys in, but
Yeah, we out here, Evergreen, Open Drift, 2021, you know how we do.
You know, sunburn, I got my head's hot, my balls are hot.
I have a headband.
You got...
You also
That's
got
red.
on your face, son.
I also got some towel on my sleeve.
You guys are both wearing black.
Yeah.
You got the sunroof.
everyone's like, yeah, let's stand with Brennan. And I was like,
why
okay,
not?
sure.
Well, that's you know, you can't say no to someone tandeming with you, you know?
Yeah, because like the way they would ask would be like, the guy would be like, 2? And the guy in that FC was like, thumbs up, sure. It's like, oh, okay, yeah, me
The
too.
peer pressure.
Yeah.
The peer pressure of tandeming is real.
Yeah, it is. I'm taking the shirt off, bro.
Oh, I can't. Gotta protect the viewers.
Yeah, no, you do.
Oh. He's topless. He's topless. Yo, you see that? He's topless over there.
Yeah,
Topless media!
Oh my god.
Car is back on all 4 Advan wheels now. We got the Z stockies all packed in the back seats right there. And the thing survived. So we might have lost a turbo on the S14, but I guess R32 has proven good backup and was actually very fun to drive around today. So that's gonna be an end on our sunny, nice drift day here at Evergreen. Call me JackUltraMotive signing this video off.
Yes. Here we have Peachy Media and his elements. Wow. What an exquisite specimen. Wow, he's really working that Miata. Yes, sir. Exquisite.